Multiplication, multiplication. Here we go. My favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite. I think all math I'm doing is my favorite. Anyway, we are doing 3 by 2 digits. So 3-digit number times 2-digit number using the lattice method. It is just a super effective way to multiply some big numbers. So we're going to do 294 times 48. I would recommend trying this along with me. And if I'm going too fast and you need to pause it, that is the beauty of a video, is that you can do that. So the main difference is we're going to have a 3 box thing by 2. The last one we had 2 by 2. So now we're having 3 by 2. I'm still going to draw my diagonal lines, top right, bottom left, through each box. I'm not going across lines. I'm just going from corner to corner. Now I'm going to write my digits: 2, 9, 4, 4, 8. So now I multiply. 4 times 8 is 16. Sorry if it confuses you that I start in different boxes. It doesn't matter where you start. All right. So I have 9 times 4. That's going to go here, 36. 2 times 4 is 8. Remember, I put it in the 1 side, and then there's just a 0 in the tens side. Here I have 4 times 8, so 32. 9 times 8 is 72. Now I have my facts memorized, so I can do it reasonably quickly. If you need to be using a multiplication chart or counting out your multiples, that is fine. Obviously, knowing them makes it a little faster, but I get that we don't all have them memorized. 2 times 6 is 16, or 2 times 8 is 16. So now I'm going to add on the diagonal. I'm going to go ahead and emphasize these just so that we know which columns we're sort of looking at. Remember, I don't add up anything on the outside. I'll just do this first one is 2, 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. Notice how I drew a line through it. I had students that would help them keep track last year. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8, plus 7 is 15, plus 6 is 21. So write the 1, carry the 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 8 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Write the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So I get 14,112. Notice with the bigger box, I had more numbers that I needed to add up. So that is probably the hardest part about this, is that I just have more numbers to keep track of and add together. The multiplying step is still the same. I just had more numbers to multiply. But then with the adding, I do have more numbers to add together. Do one more practice, and then if you need more practice beyond that, let me know. I'm more than happy to just try to keep my videos not too long. So 817 times 69. Now, if we were in school, I could help you draw these. I can't, so you're going to have to do your best. So notice how I drew the outside rectangle and then I divided it up. So I have 3 across and 2 down. Now I'm going to draw my diagonal lines from corner to corner. Maybe you just need to spend some time practicing drawing the boxes. That's okay. Or maybe it's really, really hard to draw the box, the diagonal line, so you go use the window method. That is okay too. 817 times 69. I'm going to start from the left side today. So here I have 8 times 6, which is 48. 1 times 6 is 6, so remember I need to put that 0, 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Here I have 8 times 9, 72. 1 times 9 is 9. And then 7 times 9 is 63. So that part I had a few extra numbers to multiply, but still just a 1 digit times a 1 digit. Now is when I have a little more work to add them together. So Ooh, I'll emphasize my diagonals. Now you might not have colors, but if you have markers and you want to emphasize the lines like that on your paper, go for it. That can help you visualize what you're adding together. So here I just have 3. All right, 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, still 11, plus 2 is 13. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 8 is 9, plus 7 is 16, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. So I'm just going to write the numbers from left to right. 56,373 is my answer to that problem. Like I said, if you want more practice problems, send me an email. I can send you another video, or hop on to the Google Meet, and I am more than willing to help you out. Good luck!